So another key element of the clean is the spiraling action of the bell as it travels up from the ground and up into the rack position. So the bell needs to be able to spiral around the wrist. That's why we don't crush grip the bell where it flips over. Okay, this is the reason a lot of people wind up with that bell flipping over and banging their shoulders. They're just not allowing it to spiral up. Okay, so if I show you here, the spiral that allows you to have the smoothest clean possible, right? So practicing understanding that that bell needs to wrap itself around your wrist to land softly on that forearm, really key here. So the way you're going to practice that is a little exercise called the row, row, clean. Okay. Besides the spiraling action that you're going to get in this drill, you're also going to be practicing the hip drive, right? And also that elbow pull. Okay. So where you're going to get set up with this, I'm going to set up on a bell here, basically in my deadlift position. Bell handle is aligned between the ankles. I'm going to start with my shoulder internally rotated. Okay, so I'm turning my shoulder in. I'm going to externally rotate, pull back into a row. Let it spiral down, spiral up, spiral down. And this time as I come up with it, I'm going to clean it simply by finishing and standing tall. So I'm down and spiraled, spiral up, boom, spiral down. Row, row, spiral, clean, okay? That's where that importance of keeping that grip really relaxed, right? Spearing the bell just as that hand starts to pass the hip. Show you from the side view, okay? Shoulder is rotated inwards. Going to externally rotate, drive the elbow, drive that elbow back, drive that elbow back, spear the bell. Okay, again, a fantastic drill to practice and start to get down. Really going to help you to clean up the path of that bell, works taming the arc, works to create that leg drive that we need to power the bell up into position. So again, something like this, 3 to 5 reps, 3 to 5 sets. As part of your practice for the clean, you'll own it. So there you have it, guys. Today's Hardstyle Kettlebell Pro training tip of the day. So hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. All right. Looking forward to bringing you more helpful tips like this and even full-length tutorials, helping you to get the most out of the awesome, wonderful tool that we have in the Hardstyle Kettlebell and out of your Hardstyle training. So hit that subscribe button. Drop me any comments or questions you have. Looking forward to helping you out. And till next time, peace out.